If you want to view and download someone's profile photo on Instagram, you can't do it directly from Instagram. The reason is, Instagram does not have a feature to do that. But don't worry, in this video I will explain how to view and download other people's Instagram profile photos. First, open profile of the person you're going to see and download the profile picture for. After that, click on the .3 icon. The next step, copy that person's profile link. After you have successfully copied the profile link, close Instagram and move to Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome search section, type indown.io. Then, click on the Display Picture button. Enter the profile link that was copied here. Scroll down to view and download the person's profile photo. If this video has solved your problem, please subscribe and like this video. Write in the comments column what tutorial you need right now.